Being a student today is nothing like it was 10 years ago. Homework, essays, research, everything has become digital. But here's the good news: AI can make studying way easier if you know the right tools. So in this video, we'll explore 3 powerful AI tools for students, and the best part? They're completely free. Tool 1, ChatGPT. This one is a total game changer. Think of it as your personal study buddy that never sleeps. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize long essays, explain math problems, or even help you brainstorm project ideas. It can turn complicated topics into simple explanations that actually make sense. Just remember, use it to learn, not to cheat. Tool 2, Notion AI. If you struggle with organizing notes or managing assignments, Notion AI will save your life. It helps you summarize lecture notes, write study plans, and even generate to-do lists automatically. You can keep all your subjects, projects, and ideas in one clean dashboard, powered by AI. It's like having a digital planner that understands your brain. Tool 3, Grammarly. Let's be honest, everyone makes grammar mistakes. Grammarly's free AI assistant checks your writing for spelling, punctuation, and tone. It not only fixes errors but teaches you why something is wrong, so your writing gets better over time. Perfect for essays, emails, or even your CV. With these 3 tools, ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Grammarly, students can study smarter, not harder. AI won't do your work for you, but it will make your work a whole lot easier. So if you're a student in 2025, don't ignore AI. Learn how to use it. Because the future belongs to those who can work with technology, not against it. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.